top of the car.
Go in the shower.
There's Birdsong. He's doing his own video. His rusty Charger.
Yeah, it's nice. Definitely a lot cooler. I heard last
Here for falling parts.
Left lane Mustang gonna roll through the beams. Right lane 3477, 1.6 reaction. At the 60 foot gonna be 6.2 and 2.6 at the 8th mile. A 15.8 at 51 in the left lane, Matt. Right lane 10.5 seconds, 70 in the mile per hour.
Minty.
At that quarter mile 23.4 at 61 and 16.0 at 90 in the right lane.
way I see it. It's like I've done a lot of dumb shit. I mean, mainly selling my radiators.
Left lane, number 35. 626 on the reaction, 2.5 at the 60 foot. That right lane Chevy 3336 is the car number. 630.28 at the 60 foot. That 8th mile time. 10.6 at 76 in the left lane. That right lane 11.6 at 58. Quarter. 15.7 at 18.1. 90 at 76 in the mile per hour.
Yeah, there's the Poverty Tour crew.